Hello, welcome to the Invest in Value channel. I am Victor, and in this video, I'm going to cover a real estate investment trust by the name of Vici. This REIT has been operating well, and I'd like to take them through my analysis and score them to see if they're a good investment. Before I do so, please do me a favor and like my video. Consider subscribing to my channel and hit that bell if you want to be notified when I release a new video. I like to scorecard these companies, and the scorecard is really three elements. First, am I getting a discount on this investment currently? Second, is the company operating and performing well? And then last, is it the right time to buy? Let's take a look at Vici and see how they score. Vici owns properties around the United States. Most of them are in Las Vegas that casinos are operated on. Their biggest properties, Caesar's Palace, the Venetian, and now MGM. These are big profile properties. They also have smaller properties around the country. They have the Hard Rock in Cincinnati. They have Jack Cleveland Casino in Cleveland, Ohio. They have Greektown in Michigan, and they have other properties as well as golf courses. So this REIT is in the gaming industry, in the hospitality industry, and is a vacation play. The Vici stock has been going up and down, especially with COVID. Year to date, the company's just down 10.1%, which is basically flat. It's pretty much back to at the beginning of the year, which basically right now is outperforming the S&P, which is down 7%, by the way. But you can see that it went down on several occasions quite significantly, and it provided an opportunity to buy into this stock. You could have bought, when it was 10-11% less expensive. Looking at the last year, it's traded sideways. It's down almost 1% in 1 year. Again, providing opportunities to buy the stock at discounts. And if you look at the 5-year, overall, it's been up, over 5 years, but it really provided a great opportunity right after COVID when it was really priced at a discount. And if you had the courage to buy the stock then, you'd be pretty much doubling your money. I had enough courage to buy some shares in 2020, and then I averaged in my cost, and I am up on the stock by 10% in appreciation, unrealized gain, and I get that nice dividend. Now, let me tell you what I believe this company is worth. I calculate the value of the company using an intrinsic value calculator that takes free cash flows that we expect this company is going to generate. And the most current full year free cash flow was $873 million produced in 2021. That's going to be our starting point. With a discount rate of 7%, this is a real estate investment trust, nice solid balance sheet. We're going to use 7%. We're going to use a growth rate for years 2, 3, 4, and 5 of 15%. And into the future, we're going to use 5%. I believe 15% is a good number. Over the last 5 years, the company has grown 18%. And just last year, they grew 23%. So it's a conservative, but high enough number. And then that's the revenue growth. Free cash flows, they've been growing them at 32%. They've grown them 32% over the last 5 years. So that's a nice number to be conservative and estimate where their cash flows are going to go over time. I discount the net present value of those cash flows. I go 20 years, by the way, and I calculate the company's worth $18.8 billion. Market cap on the company is $21.7 billion, higher than the net present value of free cash flows. So this company is priced at a premium. I take the shares outstanding to get down to a per share ratio, and the value per share is $25.17. The stock price is trading at $29.92. So right now you'd be buying Vici at a 16% premium. One thing to consider, they had to issue out a lot of shares to buy MGM. So that may have diluted the company to some extent. It had an effect on that. Looking at Vici's performance in 2021, it was very good. They grew 23% for revenue top line. Over the last 5 years, they've grown over 18%. So the company is very well operated. They're paying a dividend of 4.88%, and they generated $873 million of free cash flow in 2021. They're profitable with a PE of 16.73. In 2022, they're guiding that they're going to grow by 25%. They provided their guidance using available funds from operations, and they expect those to grow 25%. They pay a very good dividend, and they can more than afford it. Again, they're guiding that they're going to have available funds from operations per share of $1.80 to $1.84, which more than covers the dividend, which is $1.44. My outlook is that people really want to go out and travel and have fun. We've been cooped up for 2 years, and people want to get out and have some fun, gamble a little bit, have a nice meal, go watch some entertainment, and get out and breathe some fresh air. And the hospitality, the travel industry, casinos, the resorts are really going to benefit. And I believe VC is going to do very well in the next couple of years. The price of the stock is fairly priced, and they pay a good dividend. So it's good for a dividend investor that's looking to get that 5% yield. And VC can surprise to the upside on their financials and their earnings releases. And they could change that valuation model very quickly if they start growing faster than expected, generating more cash than expected. So let's grade VC and see how it did on that scorecard. First question is, are we getting a discount on this stock? And the answer is no. We are paying fair price. If anything, we're paying a premium. So we're not getting a discount. The company is well operated and has been performing great. Is it the right time to buy? I would have to answer no. You have to pick the right spots, wait for the stock price to come down, or for their earnings to really show that they're performing beyond what we're expecting. So this video is for entertainment purposes only. I hope you found this video interesting. I'm not recommending that you buy any particular stock or security. I record these videos to share my experience and hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Do me a big favor and like my video, consider subscribing, and click that bell if you want to be notified when I release new videos. I really appreciate you watching, and let me wish you good luck in investing in 2022.